हम दोनों को भूख लग रही है।
हम दोनों खाए नहीं है सुबह से, भूखे भूखे लोग सड़क पे आ गए हैं।
We sound like beggars.
And this is lot of chicken.
These are Shreya's. Let me try them.
Yeah.
Do I look like an idol? Wait. इसको नीचे करना, मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है, इतना डार्क है ये।
एक सेकंड में इसको निकालती हूँ।
एक फोटो के लिए we are doing so much. So we decided that we'll sit and watch the BTS documentary. श्रेया तो इतना ध्यान से देख रही है, उसका पोज देखो। तो सेटल हो गए सोफे पे। Hi everybody, welcome to another vlog in Seoul, South Korea. मेरे साथ कौन है?
Me, it's me.
मैं श्रेया हूँ। श्रेया, your name is श्रेया ना?
Yes, my name is.
अपना ही नाम गलत बोल रहे हैं। So basically हम लोग आज first time मिले हैं, but it doesn't
exactly.
feel like it.
I agree.
Like, हाँ बोलो।
आप बोलो।
You came to my Hanok. I'm staying
Yes.
here at the Bukchon.
ये थोड़ा गलत प्रोनाउंस नहीं हो गया।
Foreigner कुछ भी बोल सकता है, okay?
कोई नहीं।
So I'm saying that the Bukchon Hanok place. So she came to meet me there पहले.
Yes.
And the moment we met, I think we were like, ऐसे कि हम लोग कितने सालों से chill कर रहे हैं रोज.
ऐसा we feel like we are like friends for like almost like 5 to 6 years.
Yeah.
ऐसा feel हो रहा है.
We launched into conversations as if we are continuing those conversations from last night.
Yeah.
इतना अच्छा था.
इतना अच्छा था.
श्रेया ने जगह ढूंढी है samgyeopsal खाने के लिए.
She told me that she likes samgyeopsal. तो मैं बोली चलो खिलाते हैं आज samgyeopsal.
Technically मुझे ढूंढनी चाहिए थी जगह because I have invited her to chill with me, but I'm kind of useless in these things. Also मैं search करती हूँ, सब कोरियन में लिखा होता है, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. So she found it for me.
No worries. It's because it's my actually job.
Oh, you have to come this side. मैं right hand से पकड़े. वाह मेरे बाल देखो. Oh no. बहुत slope है यहाँ पे. Comfortable shoes पहनने के पहले बोला था मैंने, पहने उसने. Very good girl.
I am like very much of a comfortable girl.
My fit looks like I'm her manager.
नहीं.
मैंने इतनी ऐसी जैकेट पहनी है जिसमें सारी व्लॉगिंग डिवाइस और हम लोग के लिए हेयर क्लिप सब फिट हो जाए, क्योंकि हम लोग जैसे अपने हनोक से निकले इतनी जोर से हवा है कि वापस अंदर भाग के गए क्लिप लेने के लिए, जो अब बैग में मुझे निकालने का मन नहीं कर रहा. सो हम पता नहीं क्यों
गए भाग के.
कभी मैं ये भूल गई, कभी मैं वो भूल. दैट्स वेरी इंडियन थिंग.
Indian thing.
हम लोग सारे परिवार को बाय बोल के जाते हैं, फिर 10 बार वापस आते हैं कुछ ना कुछ लेने.
She went inside to like take her clips, and then she came back. वो automatic lock है, but still she went to check.
Yeah, because I'm staying alone.
Yeah.
और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने लॉक नहीं किया तो कोई घुस के सब चुरा लेगा. Obviously मेरे पास कोई कीमती चीजें है नहीं, पर मैं नहीं चाहती मेरा रामेन को चुरा ले. रामेन चोरी होने की सबसे बड़ी पॉसिबिलिटी है कोरिया में. यहाँ पे क्योंकि क्राइम नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं चुराता.
मैं अपना बैग रख के जाती हूँ भाग के.
बहुत सेफ है. एक बार मैं अपना बैग भूल गई थी कैफे में, एंड देन आई वेंट टू सम अदर फ्रेंड्स प्लेस, केम बैक और वो उसी सीट पे पड़ा हुआ था. लाइक इट इज दैट सेफ. पर रामेन चोरी हो सकता है. दिस इज सो नाइस, राइट? We are trying to find the place.
Yes.
Actually, I'm not trying to find the place. I'm relying on Shreya. She must be thinking कितनी useless है ये. पूरा मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दिया, ऐसे चल रही है. I'm actually just following you.
ये है कहाँ? ये बहन.
हम खो गए.
नहीं, ऐसा क्यों दिखा रहा है? ये देखो. वो यहाँ से दिखा रहा है ऐसे जाने के लिए. कहाँ जाऊँ?
हमें इस शॉप के अंदर क्रॉस करके आगे जाना है. उसका नाम यही है. ऐसे लग रहा है ये 10 साल पहले बंद हो चुका है. भूत. वाओ, जगह बंद है. फ्लॉप शो गाइस, जगह बंद थी.
ये मेरे साथ क्यों होता है?
मेरे साथ भी होता है. 2 बैड लक साथ में आ गए. ये तो होना ही था. श्रेया ने ये जगह ढूंढी थी, ये भी बंद है. ये जानबूझ के ऐसे कर रही है.
नहीं, मैं सच में मैं दिखा सकती हूँ आपको. ओपन लिखा हुआ.
You want to get rid of.
ऐसा कब से? Like literally in English it said open. यहाँ पे गई और ये बंद पड़ा.
I think we have to start entering random shops which are open. हम दोनों को भूख लग रही है अब.
मेरे को हम दोनों खाए नहीं है सुबह से. भूखे लोग सड़क पे आ गए हैं.
We sound like beggars. भूखे लोग सड़क पे आ गए.
भूखे लोग सड़क पे आ गए.
Because I don't eat breakfast ever, and you also don't eat breakfast.
No.
What a coincidence. पर lunch तक फिर हम लोग पागल होने लगते
हाँ,
हैं.
लेकिन ये जरूर करती हूँ मैं. मैं अगर बाहर जाऊंगी ना किसी अदर कंट्रीज में,
हाँ।
हम लोग का होटल वाला तो खाती हूँ,
वो फ्री वाला नहीं छोड़ सकते।
फ्री वाला नहीं छोड़ सकते थे। सुबह का जो होता है ना बुफे,
तो tasty होता है।
बुफे जो बुफे राइट।
बेसिकली हम सब एक ही जो ऐसे हैं, चाहे आप नॉर्मल इंसान हो या के पॉप आइडल हो, फ्री का बुफे कोई नहीं छोड़ता गाइस
कोई
होटल
नहीं
में।
छोड़ता है, कोई नहीं छोड़ता है, नहीं छोड़ना गाइस।
एंड दैट इज द टेस्टीएस्ट मील ऑलवेज।
Meal also.
उसमें इतने सारे ऑप्शंस होते हैं।
ऑप्शंस होता है भाई। वो एक्चुअली मैं डेकोरेशन देखने जाती हूँ ना, पहले मेरे आँख में चमक आती है।
सारा खाना ज्यादा कहाँ है? कि पतली है। लुक एट हर।
वो मैं खाती हुई निकल जाता है।
What she means is she works out
Yeah.
and she burns
Burns
the
my
fat.
calories. I have a good digestion system.
हाँ, यंग लोग के साथ ऐसी होता है। मैं भी यंग ओके।
You are okay. I was going to say you're young.
You thought I'm old.
No, I'm not.
You thought some old Ajumma will meet you today. No, I was gonna tell you.
नहीं, मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा इनके मुंह से निकला।
Why is she so shocked that I'm young?
No, I'm not shocked. I told you, you are so young.
Thank you.
कहाँ जाए हम लोग?
We were gonna have samgyeopsal, then we settled for
Budechige.
budejjige,
But then now we came to a ginseng place,
ginseng place, which is very healthy. Huh?
which is very healthy. This is anti-aging. कुछ तो है, but it's like chicken.
The whole chicken. Wait, let me show them.
ओ भाई, इसका पूरा शरीर है यहाँ पे।
The whole thing is there. मुझे कोरियन की साइड डिशेस में बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
I do agree.
Kimchi and all that. Their food is very colorful.
और हम लोग का फ्राइड चिकन भी आ रहा है।
Fried chicken भी आ रहा है.
फ्राइड चिकन।
We should take photo.
Yeah, we should. And you know what? This one actually I changed my color on Sunday. So you're meeting me in my black color for the first time.
This looks best on you.
Thank you.
I feel like the natural color looks best on you.
Oh,
I think you should just keep it like that.
keep it like this.
Don't you think so?
Me too. मतलब मेरे friends लोग, they legit told me like this, Shreya, can you stop dyeing your hair right now?
Who made you change your color?
Me.
Achha, you only. You want to try different colors.
Yeah, because right now I don't want it to like dye my hair because बहुत खराब हो गया था मेरा बाल. It has been dyed for so many times.
The bleaching, right?
Bleaching and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the person.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of chicken.
This is so.
This is a lot of chicken, yeah.
This is lot of chicken. मतलब आज chicken ही खाएंगे हम लोग. Chicken.
Too much chicken.
Too much chicken.
Wow. Let's take a picture of the food also.
Yes. Me too.
I'll take your picture also. Smile.
Oh, that's so nice.
So good.
Here we are.
Such a good picture.
The pro level of picture.
That's a very good picture, yeah.
By the way, I have something to give you. It's not much, but I wanted to give you something.
Please don't tell me you got a gift, yeah.
Huh?
You didn't get anything, na?
I did. Why would I not?
I get very awkward when people get something for me.
No. It's because you come to Korea. Of course, I want to give you something for a welcoming gift.
But you are the younger one. Why should you be giving me stuff?
वो कहाँ से मैटर करता है नहीं?
करता है.
It's because you come to Korea, so I wanted to give you hand cream.
Thank you.
It's one of my favorite hand creams in Korea.
Thank you.
It smells really nice.
Vegan soybean hand cream.
Yeah.
Thank you. Genuinely thank you. So sweet.
No worries.
It's a Korean brand?
It's a Korean brand.
Thank you so much.
Obviously, no worries.
Sure. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
मुझे भूख लग रही है. हम लोग को बहुत भूख लग रही है. मेरे को भी. Yum.
Do you want rice? You want rice?
पर ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना. But let's have rice. I like rice.
혹시 그 공깃밥 두 개 없어요? 아, 네.
नहीं है rice.
They don't have. 아, 네.
आज हमारा बहुत लकी डे नहीं है
Yeah.
खाने को लेकर.
इतना गंदा एक्सपीरियंस मेरा कभी हुआ नहीं है. आज बेइज्जती हो रहा है मेरा.
But company is nice, so it's fine. I'm having fun with you.
Actually, it's so nice.
Soup is very nice. गरम गरम एकदम.
गरम एकदम. I like this kind of like soup. Especially it's weather में.
ये क्या है? Rice. इसके अंदर है राइस.
Oh, wait. This has rice inside. See.
इसके अंदर राइस है. Stuffed. Fried chicken. This is so good.
Oh, really?
My God, yeah.
That's why I was like, why don't we have like rice with this? But there's also one thing called lava,
Lava.
which is like ramen plus rice. It's so good. Chicken stock and then
You cook, Shreya?
yeah, I do.
अब तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ.
5 साल से you're staying alone.
I just cook by myself. I love cooking.
But did you cook before you came to Korea?
No.
No, right?
No.
So when did you learn?
It's like मम्मी के साथ थोड़ा बहुत करती थी, but I was not, I never made a proper meal. But in my trainee days, I needed to start cooking by my own food because I cannot do diet, At the time मैं इतनी सुकड़ी थी कि मैं क्या diet करूँ. So I had to make my own.
But how did you learn?
YouTube, just watching YouTube, everything.
Indian or Korean?
Indian, Korean, like pasta and everything I cook is all YouTube.
यहाँ आने के बाद.
हाँ.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah, I have to learn so many things by myself, so I just started doing.
I don't think I can do that.
Huh?
I don't think I can live alone if I don't know how to cook. मुझे anyway खाना बनाना नहीं आता.
Oh wow.
I cannot cook because in India we are so spoiled. We have so many people to help us. Like
Help us there, na?
I have a cook since I was a kid because there you can get a cook very cheap.
Cheap. I think the first time I struggled with was my mom was not there and I had to cook my own food and the food was not up to my क्या बोलते हैं मेरा taste नहीं था उसमें. So we used to go to a buffet, like our company used to take us to a buffet for eating and everything.
Korean buffet.
Yeah, but they cannot take us every single day, We have to cook inside like home too. So उस time पे भी I used to only eat ramen because I didn't know anything, na.
But that is so unhealthy.
So unhealthy, I know. But then I was like, no, I cannot do that, and I just need to start like cooking, So I just started cooking by myself, and just like that, I just grow.
धीरे धीरे learn. Very challenging. Oh my God, we came across the cutest. I look so bad right now because I've tied my hair.
Hey.
And then she's looking like Priyanka Chopra next to me. I will also open my hair.
Oh, that was nice.
So, we came across the cutest sock shop and we picked up these socks. This is Shin Ramen. Yeah, मुझे ऐसी चीजें बहुत पसंद है. And then I found these.
Why do we look like sisters?
Do we? I don't think so.
No, we do.
Really? It's so weird because you look like Priyanka Chopra and coincidentally, when I talk, people say I sound like Priyanka Chopra.
You do.
So if we merge, we will have another Priyanka Chopra. The amount of shit we talk. We look like two wannabe Priyanka Chopra fans. But we look like a parody. We are not Priyanka Chopra, we are Chiryanka Popra. We're Chiryanka Popra. Woo! Makeup, get ready with me with K-pop idol Sri Lanka. Ooh.
I think this is the #1 cushion foundation. For because I have a dry skin, so it's really good for. It is so dirty right now.
We have to show all the kachra.
हे भगवान.
ठीक तो है. ठीक तो है.
मैं ये छुपाई हूँ ना.
हमारी टेबल तो देखो. Look at our table. We have like these aesthetic coffees here, Americano and what have you taken? Vanilla latte. And look at all this other stuff. और यहाँ से ना ये भी दिखा देती हूँ. We are basically not so aesthetic. But I actually love having black coffee after food. I feel like your food gets digested very well. Yeah, but इसने जिस quantity में दिया है, this magha, this is Shreya's not used to listening to all these desi words. When I say a random word, like which is Hindi, she starts laughing. Like magha is too funny for her.
मग्गा सुन रही हूँ ना, तो it reminds me of my bathroom.
These are Shreya's. Let me try that.
Yeah.
Do I look like an idol? Yeah. I look like an idol. Why do these give Jenny vibes? She wears a lot of these kind of shades. Is this a thumbnail? Oh, wait. इसको नीचे करना मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है. इतना डार्क है ये.
एक सेकंड में इसको निकालती हूँ.
एक फोटो के लिए we are doing so much. हम लोग शांति से ब्लॉग करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं बिकॉज 5 बज चुके हैं और हमें धीरे बोलने के लिए बोला है. यहाँ के लोगों ने श्रेया इज एक्चुअली होल्डिंग द फ्लैश लाइट फॉर मी सो दैट आई लुक गुड. थैंक यू श्रेया. So we are back in our Hanok, and I want to show you all a little bit of the Bukchon Hanok village,
It's all made from.
the traditional houses of Korea.
Of Korea.
Yeah. So we are back in my Airbnb, which is stunning. It's that traditional Hanok of Korea. हम लोग धीरे धीरे बात करें पर हम अंदर जाके ठीक से बात कर सकते हैं. Let's go inside. So Indians are so loud. ये कोरिया आके समझ में आता है. I'm gonna show my Hanok with you as my model. You're there. You're modeling. So we decided that we'll sit and watch the BTS documentary. श्रिया तो इतना ध्यान से देख रही है, उसका पोज देखो. तो सेटल हो गए सोफे पे. एक एक सेकंड मतलब उसको देखना है, उसको कुछ मिस नहीं करना है. So we're like, what do you want to watch? What do you want to watch? And we have both not seen it.
Randomly just like.
Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah, we love BTS. We're just gonna enjoy this documentary now. Yo. I told her to end the vlog and she's like, oh, yo.
Oh, yo, I don't know what to say. I don't know.
Not everybody can speak non-stop the way I can. Super shit I can talk kitna bhi.
She is so professional. See, and me being cracked person, literally मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं आता.
It's not your job to talk. It's my job. It's your job to sing and dance. It's fine. I cannot sing and dance, can I?
I can be crazy.
Yeah, our vlog today has come to an end. हम लोगों ने बहुत, we really enjoyed. We met for the first time, but it was like so epic. We should meet again.
I felt like I known her for like years, which we are, but
We
never
have.
talked.
We never met ever.
We never met or we talk like, you know, in WhatsApp and something.
So it's time for her to go. She has a schedule tomorrow, so she has to go. It's 9 o'clock. We spent the whole day together. Thank you everybody for watching our vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching us do the most random things in the world, eat a lot of food, have some coffee and roam around in Bokchon Hanok village. मैं तो डर डर के बोल रही हूँ मैं.
नहीं, right now she actually rapped. मतलब वो पूरा rap में बोली अभी. Thank you so much for having so much fun. I hope you guys have fun and we had lot of so much.
नहीं होता सबसे, सिर्फ मैं ही कर सकती हूँ. मैं बहुत बात करती हूँ. मैं बहुत बात करती हूँ.
It's fine. We are chatterbox.
Yes. Thank you, Shreya, for coming and spending the whole day with me.
Thank you so much for inviting me because I had so much fun with you, and thank you so much because she's my big sister here. And whenever she comes, of course I'm gonna meet her. So do contact me whenever you come to Korea.
Yes, and
Feel
we have
free.
to meet in India also.
Yeah,
we
because-
should do Indian street food also.
Yeah, because remember, I'm your little sister.
Yes, of course. Of course, you are my little sister. So thank you all, and I will see you in my next vlog. And let's wish Shreya all the very best for her future.
Thank you.
All the very best.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
everybody. Good
Good night.
night.